Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. Today's video I'm going to share this Petancy matte velvet lipstick review and I'm going to unbox this with you. So I bought this from the Amazon. So if you want to order the same product, I will share the link of this lipstick set in my description box. So go and check that and let's open this. Every single girl like the lipstick. Me personally like the matte lipstick most, but sometimes it all depends on the mood, which lipstick you want to the wear and apply on your face. It totally depends on the occasion as well, but most time I like to prefer the matte lipsticks. But sometimes there are cases when I want something oily, something like this. So on the box, on the back side, they said the ingredient and the description for these matte lipsticks. So you can go through if you want to. So these are the lipsticks. There is a 6 beautiful shades here. They have the number on the bottom side. So let's try from this side and pick this one. This is a 01. So let's try this one. This is 01, very beautiful peachy shade. It looks so stunning. Look at the shade. I like this. You can see the shade from the close look. It's not a really like the dehydrating your lips. It gives a hydration with a matte finish look. So it's time to remove this one and try the next shade. Okay, so the next shade is this peach pinky, shade number 02. This matte pink shade. It looks so amazing. I also like this one. Let's remove this one and try the other shade. Let's try this third one, number 03. It's kind of nude brown. So I love nude brown. So let's. So this is the nude brown. Now it's time to try this number 4. 04. It's a kind of reddish maroon shade. So let's try this one. It's a bit dark. I'm not really a big fan of dark colors, but it's a bit dark for me. Let's remove this one. I ready my cotton pads to remove the lipstick and apply the next one just to save time. So it's time to try this 05 shade. So let's just try on. reddish brown. I like this one also in dark family. Okay, it's time to try this number 6 and the last from this package. This is a dark purplish color. I'm not really big fan of purple color in lipstick, but let's try this one. It's a quite nice color if you want to wear the dark shade with your makeup or with your dress. It's a quite nice color. So you can see it's not a really matte or really, you know, the dry finish on your lips. So it gives you a smooth finish on your lips and your lips feels hydrated and smooth. So I tried these on in front of you, and the overall review is according to the price is a good, and according to the shades is a good collection, plus according to their texture and the appliance on your lips, it's a very good, because your lips didn't feel a very, you know, dry and patchy, because these are the bit hydrating and smooth finish. So these overall good package, so do try these ones. This is all about today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you have any question, ask me down below in comment section, and stay tuned for the next one.